So today's a really exciting video because I want to bring a strategy that I used to use about 4 or 5 years ago when I was writing Kindle books and marketing them on the Amazon Kindle store. And I had over 7 books, all of them hit bestseller, and I made over 5 figures, $10,000 for each book. I've actually got a Udemy course about it and exactly the strategy I use there, and I can give you more information on that on this channel if you'd like, but it's not why we're here today. We're here today for something very special, and that is how to use this leech strategy that I used for Amazon Kindle in the realm of Amazon FBA. And now there's not that many people doing it in Amazon FBA yet, but the people who are doing it are making a lot of money. And I have a good example I want to go through with you that you could actually start selling today once I teach you what this strategy is. So the story all starts here with Baby Shark. And actually, before I do jump into this, I'd super appreciate if you could hit that like button for bringing you this strategy, because we're trying to get this video to as many people as possible. And it really helps the YouTube algorithm when you hit that like. So thank you for that. And now into the good stuff, into the business. Baby Shark, if you haven't heard of this before, it's a viral song. It's a kid's song. And if you look at the views down here, that's not million. It's 3.1, almost 3.2 billion plays. And it's a song for kids, and it's gone absolutely viral. It was uploaded in 2016 on June 18. And it is a very simple song. I'm not going to play it here, but you can go and find it pretty easily yourself. I do warn you, it is very catchy, and it is very basic lyrics. I think there's a total of 10 words in this whole song. But not only did they make tens of millions of dollars on YouTube ad revenue, but they have expanded into just a massive YouTube channel who create content for kids. They also have started creating plush toys, which they sell on Amazon. And the one thing I came across today, which blew my mind when I saw it, I'm like, I gotta make a video about this, is if we go over here and you type in Baby Shark to books, you'll see the best-selling book at the moment is Bedtime for Baby Shark. So obviously they've turned the character of Baby Shark from this song into an actual character that they're using as selling these plush toys up here, which do really well. And you can see this will be Pink Fong. So this is sold by Pink Fong, which is actually the brand. You'll see down here the amazing thing, Bedtime for Baby Shark. If you listen to the song, that's what is in the song. That's the catchy part of the song. This is not sold by Pink Fong. This is sold by a guy called John. And John's created this book. And the unreal thing about this book is that it's #1 in children's books, children's fish books, animal books, performing arts fiction. And it's top 100 in books overall. So scroll down here. It's number 30 right now in best-selling books on Amazon, which is unreal. Like this front page, people making money. Like these are the legitimate books. Michelle Obama's here, 5 Love Languages, Kill a Mockingbird, Hungry Caterpillar. These are all the Mark Mansons over here, all the legitimate books. And here is Bedtime for Baby Shark. And it's a guy called John who's done some illustrations on a very simple book. And you have a look here. Did I keep this up? I didn't, because I was trying to make sure that this wasn't Baby Shark, the actual book to do with the song, but, well, not videos, images. Like this is Baby Shark. This is what he looks like. This is what he looks like over here. This is the Pink Fong animation. You can see John's just drawn a completely different shark, called him Baby Shark because Baby Shark is not a copyrighted term. Put in some do's, which is of course not a copyrighted term, and made his own coloring book. Well, it's not even a coloring book. It's a bedtime book. You don't even have to color. And it's sold out. It's number 30 on the store. You can see looking at Keeper, which is best-selling rank, which is basically how many he's selling. He's just absolutely nosedive into the top 30 in the store. And I know this is an Amazon FBA video, but I used to do Amazon Kindle. And it's actually still a really good way to make money, like John here. He's ranked number 30. This is a calculator. Sorry for bumping that. So Kindle bestseller calculator. It's a book. You want to come in and you'll be able to see how much people are making by their bestseller ranking here. So this is almost like the Jungle Scout of the Kindle world. So his bestseller rank, BSI, is 30. Click here. He's selling almost 600 books a day at $6. So at $5.50. So 600 times $5.50. He's making $3,300 a day. So say half of that is profit. He's making $1,500 a day, and he could very easily pop his price up. Like, I don't know why he's not actually selling his book at $7, $8, $9, especially because it is a physical book, and then sell the Kindle version at $5.50 and absolutely crush it. But he's making $1,500 profit. Even at worst case scenario, he's making $1,000 profit a day from leeching, is what we call this. We also call it backpacking, which is a much nicer term, off a current trend that's already out there. So Baby Shark, everyone knows Baby Shark, and you can see he's not actually the only one who's doing this, and you can see there's other people. Here's the actual Pink Fong one here, but that's not the one that's going absolutely viral and absolutely crushing sales in here. That's John, who's just decided to move into the industry. How do you use this for Amazon FBA if you're not going to write your own Baby Shark novel or a novel about whatever it is that you, whatever trend you want to write on? This is how you do it. You find a big company or a big brand such as Sweet Sweat. Now, Sweet Sweat, this is their, let me just tell you what it is right now. It's basically a training thing. Mostly girls wear them, and you put it around your waist and you run and you sweat extra under that. It's like a sauna for your stomach, and that makes you burn more fat in that area. Don't know if it's scientifically tested. It's probably not, but girls want to lose weight in that area, and this sells. And they call it Sweet Sweat, and it has a brand. You can see they've also got gel, so you rub gel over that area, makes you sweat more. It's a pretty big brand. You can see they do really well. They got brand registry, and if we went to their website, Sweet Sweat, I'm sure they have a lot of like Instagram followers and a really nice website set up. I mean, they've got almost 10,000 reviews, and they're just a very big company. I didn't know. Is that Sweet Sweat's product? Wow, that's impressive. Those collagen peptides, they absolutely crush those. That's something I'm learning as well. So these guys are killing it. They're making millions of dollars on these Sweet Sweat things. And what I wanted to show you is, you can see their bestseller rank has been sub 500, apart from just here. Now this app, once again, is Keepa, Keepa. And they spiked a little bit here, but, maintaining about a 400 bestseller rank. Drop down, have a promotion or email their list or something, and just drop into those hundreds. And remember what I say about you need that to go down in levels. You want that smooth momentum. You can see they started promoting it to their list. They got extra people finding them all over Amazon, and they're doing really well. And they had a lightning deal here. I can tell because this is a lightning deal where they sold it for cheaper, $17, so $3 off. It's crazy, but a lot of people buy it. And then they drop down a little bit further. Now they're maintaining a bestseller rank of 30, which is making, if we use our Jungle Scout, link to Jungle Scout in the description, $250,000 a month on these things. Now, this is also a trend. This is nowhere near as big as Pink Fong's Baby Shark, but this is also a trend that people are finding in here. So what has this clever person right here done? Shaper X. You can see very, very similar. Similar looking product. You put it around your waist and you train, and it helps sweat and it helps pull your waist in. Not sure if it's actually tested or not, but it's a waist trainer and a sweat belly band weight loss. They just throw keywords at the end. This is not an optimized listing by anyone's standards. However, if we go up here to their Keepa, they're ranking in the top 1,000, and down here they're ranking in the top 400. They've only been selling for 144 days, and for that 144 days, the top bestseller rank they had, the highest bestseller rank they had was 3,500. So they're absolutely killing it as well. You can see they had their price down. They popped their price up a little bit here as they're getting more momentum. And if I have a look, they got quite a few color options, all obviously just photoshopped on. And if I Jungle Scout this, they're doing $52,000. And they barely have to actually market their product because they've chosen a trend thanks to Sweet Sweat or Sweat Sweet. I'm not actually sure what it is, that they're riding that demand, similar to the Pink Fong book. If this guy just wrote this book, Bedtime for Baby Shark, no one's actually going to buy it unless they've already heard the song and they like the song and their kids listen to the song over and over. And then they come across this, it's like, oh, this is the book that goes along with it. Or Sweet Sweat create the trend for these sweat bands, sweat belts, and you can also jump on these trends. And this is actually a good product to sell. I've been having a look at the numbers here. You can see this is sweat waist trimmer. This person set it up exactly like Sweet Sweat. $4.60 to buy it. This one's $3 to $4. Obviously, you'd have to pay some shipping, but this one's $3 to $3.50. Like, you can get your own colors, you can put your own branding on it, just like this leech product or this backpack product has done. So at maximum, you can get it, for $5 in. Stock it in Amazon, like these have 4.2 stars. This is not an optimized listing, but they're doing $52,000 a month on these things. And, at the end of the year, everyone knows that Q4 rush, you're gonna double these sales if you get it in now and you're in there for Christmas. So this is how you can ride these trends. Go get your product for $3 or $4 on Alibaba, ship it into Amazon, make a better listing than this person, and ride the trend that's already there. Make sure you're putting sweet sweat or sweat in your keywords in your back end. Be careful actually putting in your actual listing. Make sure you're putting in your back end only, because if it is a copyright term, they can actually ping you for it. But you can put in your back end, you can actually start ranking for that brand name of your competitors who have a trend or whatever trend that is that you're riding. That the demand's already there, and you can come in at a slightly cheaper price, have the same product. You can even make branding look better than the original product, and you're going to sell a lot of these things. So once again, you want to be riding trends. You want to make sure the demand is there. You want to be making sure you're selling products that have people looking for them, searching for them actively, and you're not trying to create your own market. So if you want your full training on this Amazon FBA process and this leech book and leech product, I guess we can call it, check out our free training in the description of this video. And if not, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.